Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Let us see the title of the project. Continuous authentication using behavioral biometrics with keystroke. Let us see the abstract of the title. The training keystroke dynamic systems we have using the false rejections and true rejections for error rejection correction we have checking. We using to the keystroke options for the verification. To enrollment we have mainly used this system. We have using the neural network concept. We have extended the time limitation for the keystroke. The enrollment and verification spots are very important to the access station. The keystroke find out the FEER, FAR, FRR. See equal error ratio and false accept ratio. Equal error rate, false accept ratio and false rejection ratio. Three steps we have identified to the keystroke. First of all, the user click the option of the password and user enter to the level. The mainly system we have using the conventional architecture we have solving the problem. The range will be established to the maximum to minimum range. We find out the keystroke event dynamically we have checking to the three process. The EER and FAR, FRR. The three process we have mainly used to derive the entire process. The entire process solving to the result of analyzing to the keystroke event. The keystroke event is familiar to technique the neural networking set of the event result. The converse we have explained to the maximum and minimum circle for the combination of the result. Let us see the flow of the diagram. The keystroke architecture we have checking to the flow of the diagram. First of all, we start the enrollment. So authentication for the enrollment. Get the username. Get the keystroke time will be started. The keystroke time will be named correct or passed to the store to the time label. Suppose the name is false, no. They get the username automatically. The name type corrected, the S is the stored the time for the user label to keystroke for the event. The collection of events retrieve the data and retain the data to transfer to the output of the access session authentication. The process will be maintained to the databases. The enrollment authentication get the username and capture the keystroke time and evaluate the future capture time to comparison. First of all, we enter the user, get the username and they get the capture the keystroke times. So user enter the key, derive to the password, everything. The details will be keystroke event times will be following for threshold. The training using the capture time evaluate to the result of the enrollment. This evaluated we compare to the threshold 1 and threshold 2 types if we have maximum and minimum range will be collected. The minimum range will be training set will be go to the databases. This process we are capturing the result time. It will be ID formation will be corrected. Suppose it's not corrected, the no process no. Get the user ID will be verification. The stored data we have mainly to the training data set. We comparing the output. The output result will be authentication or not authentication. This process we have checking to the EER, FAR, FRR. The three ratio we have mainly used to the process to the output of the formulation for the keystroke. Finally, we have stopped the process. Let us see the demo of the process. The enrollment and verifier. We have the mainly two configurations. We have in enrollment part of the authorizations and enrollment and the evaluations result will be shown. First of all, we mention the username. I name the calling and give the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and enter the password 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the keystroke analysis for the keystroke event. I click the access point. The callee have successfully registered and the user ID will be generated. Click the OK. This process we have maintained the password and the retype password. We checking to the time limit of the keystroke. So each and every keystroke we timing it will be started and we get the result of the time for the key. The stroking key we have collecting the time result for the ID for 176. Each and every process we calculate the callee is a 1786 process. Next we get the enrollment part. We click the enrollment part. The collection of information will be retrieved for that. So we mentioned the 176 callee is a range for 0 to 39 minimum range and maximum range. This time we will be calculate for the nearby the matrix formation will be generating to the output result. So we have the minimum and maximum result will be generating equalizer. So the minimum is 0.39 and the maximum is 9.98. the maximum range will be heading for the verification process. Next we go to that evaluations. The evaluations process, we have the converse we have derived to the process. You checking the point of the value, this regions to collect the information for the verification value. You have the collection of information value will be compute. So the compute of the result we checking to the maximum result. The minimum range we including that. So the out of boundary of the ranges will be collected for the verification purpose. Use similar checking for the inner and ratio. It will the conjunction model, the combinations will be collected. So this point we also collect the range. So the out of the ranges will be calculated for this range. So the maximum ranges will be collected, then minimum range will be also derived to the maximum ranges. So this outer area boundary is will be easy for processing to the verification method. So the keystroke process will be derived to this process via. Next we go to the verification process. So the verifying, you have checking to the result for 176 and the username is calling and verify on time 1 2 3 4 5 6. This process we have mainly check each and every key process with dynamically the keystroke time will be collected. You check the verify process, verify data to the process. So the process will be collecting the every times will be easily. First of all we analyze the data. The process of the range will be mentioned, will be evaluations result will be come for that one. The final report of this process we have mentioned to the user range of the FAR. The FAR calculations we have checking to the process. The FAR ranges we have the process seriously calculated to the 0.7 to 10 point nearly. Next the FRR. The FRR ranges 0.682 to the 0.68 model to go to this ranges event. This is the rejection model. So the error corrections equal error ratio we generated the maximum level and the minimum level calculation to the ratio of the verifying data. Each and every time the verified data will be modified to the every seconds of the process. The continuous authentication using the keystroke process we have mainly derived to this process. Each and every users analyzed our data for 3 processes we have mainly used. This is the acceptance models, this is the rejections model. Then we have checking to the equal error ratios, we checking to the minimum to maximum range of the verification times. So this process mainly described to the keystroke event to authentication continuous time for keystroke. It mainly used to the process. Thank you.